how to make your Facebook private. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can make your Facebook account private, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Before you try to make your Facebook private, I will just share with you one thing, that is that just like Instagram and TikTok, you cannot make your account private with just one button, because on Instagram and TikTok how it works is that you can basically just go to your settings over here, and then you can just go to privacy, and then once you go to your account privacy, you can just turn on private account over here in order to switch to private with just one button, right? But that's not how it works on Facebook. On Facebook you have to customize each of the options manually. So just open up your Facebook app, go to the menu page, scroll down, go to settings and privacy, and then go to privacy shortcuts. Now go to see more privacy settings, and it is over here where you have to manage each of your settings. So you can see who can see your future post. You can set this to only me if you want it to be private. Who can see your past stories, you can select friends or everyone or only yourself, so depending upon what kind of privacy option you want. Who can send you friend requests as well, who can see your future reels, who can look you up using your email address you provided, who can see your friends list. Of course you can set that to only me as well. And this is simply how it works on Facebook. As I said, you'll not find a single toggle, but you have to review all the options manually. So hope this video helps you solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.